गुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाक्रोधश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisance unto lotus feet of my Guru Secondly, I offer my humble respect pranam to the feet of Maharaj, Guru Singh Maharaj, Bhakta Siddhartha Maharaj, all my devotees and all of my guests. So continue, we all discuss about Krishna reference with my Leela, and they will relish this prema madhurya and from the different and love given in prema. Third, we also explain in Chaitanya Chaitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained Vaikuntha abde nahi jesab lila ro prachar tesab lila karibo jate more chamatkar. And Krishnadas Kaviraj in Chaitanya Chaitamritam explained Krishna himself told my sweet topmost sweet lila, which is not in Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka and Mathura. Only that Leela, Madhurya Leela, in only Golok Vrindavan. That is called the Pramod Leela, Parakya Bhav. Especially in Paramod Leela, that is called Gopis Upapoti Bhav, and Gopis how they also Paramod mood with Krishna. And so here Chaitanya Charitamrita also explained, Mo Vise Gopi Ganer Upoti Bhave Jog Maya Koribek Apona Prabhave. And Gopis they completely absorbed with me with as like their Upapoti. And Jogmaya will be arranged how I will meet with them, and they would not to know who am I, and I also would not know who am I. আমিও না জানি না জানি গোপীগণ দুহার রূপে গুণে দুহার হরে মোর মন. So this is the third. Second, a fourth, দাস্য সখ্য বাৎসল্য আর যে শৃঙ্গার চারি প্রেম চতুর্ভুজ ভক্তি আধার. Fourth is in Golok Vrindavan, my sweet lila that is called Dasya Sakha Vatsalan Madhurya Shringar. Dasya Ras Bhakta that is called Rakta Patrak, and or would you give the pen on? And Sakha Subal Sridham Vatsallo that is called Nando Jasoda or Shringar Rose was the gopis. So now in this way, and these are the four types of the rasas in there. Arthat Suddha is there is called Dasaras, Sakharas, Vatsalaras, and Shringaras. And but Pablo but among all these rows, Singaros is the top. Janmadasya Jatha all manifested from Singaros, the conjugal mood. Singaros. Singaros also divided again to, we also discussed, that is called Sakya and Parakya Bhav. So now today, this way, ये मो विषय अतएव मधुर रस कहिता नाम सकिया परकिया रूपे द्विविध संस्थान. Madhur ras again also divided into, that is called the Sakya, the relations between wife and husband, or Parakya, that is called relation between lover and beloved. So this katha we also discuss these things. But another is also Parakya bhave oti rasir ullas braj bina yar nahi anno bas. This Parakya bhav is the topmost under that the Madhurya ras completely excitement and completely manifested in Braj, that is, and in the heart of Braj Gopis. So only Parakya ras Krishna can perform ras dance with the Gopis. So we also discuss these things. Then we also discuss again fifth reason, যে ব্রজবধূ গণের এই ভাব নিরবধি, তার মধ্যে শ্রী রাধার ভাবেরও অবধি. Then fifth reason, in the heart of Brajagopis, how they completely absorbed in Braj Parakya mood. And among the Braj Gopis, similarly Radhika is the topmost. And the prem also manifested Sinho Man Pranarag Unurag Bhav Mahabhav. Ruda, Udhuda, Mohan, and Madanakha Mahabhav. So in the heart of we also discuss these things. And then again also Braj and how they make relations with Krishna and also and realize their rose, and Krishna releases the all kinds of rose from Braj Gopis. That things also discussed. That is called, one is called Sambandhatmika Bhakti, another is called Kamatmika Bhakti. And Sambandhatmika and Kamatmika. The Sambandhatmika Bhakti in the heart of Sakha, Vatsalya, and Sakha, Dasa, Sakha, and Vatsalya. Raktapatra, they also make relationship with Krishna, and Sakha, Subal, Sridham, they also make relationship with Krishna. Nanda, Jasoda, also that they are called Sambandhatmika. Or Kamatmika, that is only in the heart of the Gopis. This Kamatmika, again two types. One is called what is called and Sambhog Ichamai, and another is called Tattak Bhavichamai. Sambhog Ichamai, that is called some Gopis, they also independently meet with Krishna and releasing these types of prem. That is called Lolita, Vishakha, they were Sambhog Atmika. At Tattat Bhavicha, only the Gopis, those who are completely, absolutely one pointed with Srimati Radhika. That is called Manjari Bhav. This Tattat Bhavika Bhakti, that is called Manjari Bhav. And this Bhav, Lord Chaitanya and Lord Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and indiscriminately he distributed this prem. So now coming in this way, we also discuss all these things, and how Krishna is merciful and wonderful, and Krishna, he gives this mercy with all this. This is the actual main 5 reasons. And Krishna appear from Golok Vrindavan to this Bhuma Vrindavan. Then we come discuss about Gauna Karan and secondary region. Here secondary region also we discuss many things. And Bhubhar Haran Lila, when Prithvi Devi completely burdened with the sinful activities of and demons. And that time Prithvi Devi, she asked to devatas and to help to her, but they denied. That time Prithvi Devi, she manifested in the form of cow, Gomata, and she came with Sargalokas and asked to devatas, then devatas and Prithvi Devi, who manifested in the form of cow, and came with Brahmaji. And Brahmaji also told, come with me. Then Brahmaji came on the beach of the ocean of milk, Kirisamudra, where Vishnu is staying in there. Then they also started many Stav Stuti. Then Lord Vishnu, that time, then he also pulled out two hairs. One is called black and another is called white. That means Lord Vishnu told, soon my master, Supreme Personality of Godhead, Samsundar, he will appear in this Prithvilok, Bhulok, and perform sweet lila, and very easy to he will destroy all the demons and reestablish the Varnashram Dharma. In this way, Prithvi will be free from the burden of the sinful activities of demons. So here the black, here is the personification of Krishna, and white, here is the personification of Baladev Prabhu. And so in this katha, we also discuss these things. Then Brahmaji, Lord, he appears only one day of Brahma, Artha Brajnandana Samsundar. Brahma, ek dine tiho on avatirno, one day of Brahma, he appeared. One day of Brahma means that is called 1,000 Chatur Yuga, Satatita, Dapur and Kali. At the end of Dapur Yug, then Krishna, he appeared in Vrindavan with his parikar. Then he also performed sweet lila. Many leelas he also did these things. And the end of Dapur Yug, in the beginning of the Kali Yug, same Krishna, he comes in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. So in this way, we also discuss, and Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also explained, Jada Jada hi dharmasya glani bhavatir bharata abutthana adharmasya tadatmanam srijam maham. This slok and paritranayana sadhunang vinashaya duskritam dharma samsthapanartha sambhavami juge juge. But actual Brajanandan Samsundar, his duty not to kill the demon. His duty to perform sweet lila. Especially he performs sweet lila with his consort gopis, Rasa lila. And when Brajanandan Samsundar, that means Sarva Avatari Krishna, he comes and automatically all avatars and come inside him. Actual so Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained this way. Vishnu Dare Kare Asura Sanghara. Krishna, he kills all the demons with the incarnation of his Vishnu. Because Krishna is called Rasik Sekhar Krishna Parama Karun. Prem Ras Nirjas Korit Asadan Rag Marge Bhakti Lok Korit Pracharan. Krishna is called Rasik Sekhar. He is the connoisseur of the mellows in the heart of the Braj Gopis. And so he is performing sweet lila with his Braj Gopis. And so Rasik Sekhar and Parama Karun also. He is the embodiment of compassion. Parama Karun and Rasik Sekhar Parama Karun. And Prem Ras Nirjas Koriti Asadana. And he is releasing the Prem Ras Nirjas. Here Prem Ras Nirjas, the essence of Prem Ras, that is called, and which is remain in the heart of Srimati Radhika, that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. And so Krishna, he appears in this Kali Yuga, that means end of Dapur Yuga, in the beginning of the Kali Yuga, in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari, and he releases this highest prem from the inner court of the heart of Srimati Radhika. And so now coming in this way. Krishna Lila is another also, and many demons, different yugas at different what is called bhaktas. They are hankering how to take darshan to Lord, and so for this regard we also discussed about, and first Boli Maharaj Kanna Ratna Boli, and she also saw Baman Dev, and that time she was very eager to feed her breast milk. When Lord Vamandev took her father's all property and with Trivikram form, that time she told, "Oh, I will kill you." And to the feed my breast milk made with Calcutta Visha and poisonous snake. And this the poison of the snake. But Lord told, "You cannot kill to me." And so in this way, that Ratnavali she also appeared, and in Krishna Lila, that is called Putana Mokshan Lila, and this is also very important. And but this in this way, our Goswami very nicely Laghu Bhagavatam explained very nice, beautiful Tattva Siddhanta this way. And when Lord Vishnu appeared in the jail of Kamsa, and that time Vasudev and Devaki, these two, they also started stop stuti. And that time Lord Vishnu told, "Hey Devaki and Vasudev, look, and this is not my this first birth, and this is my third birth. I am giving darshan to you with your." And then I also remind to you, and because in the beginning of the creation Satya Yuga, and that time you and that time you are Prishni and Sutapa, and understand, and that time you also perform hard austerities to me, and of my Narayan form, and that time you ask, and promise, and I will be your three times, not one time. And
so actually here is that and Sutapa, they perform hard austerity to God Vishnu, Chaturbuj Vishnu, but they did not ask Vatsalya. They asked only Putra, as like son. So Lord also manifested in the first that is called Krishna Sutava's son. His name is called Krishna Garbha. Krishna Garbha. Only Krishna Garbha. And sometimes pronunciation different. For English pronunciation same. For Garbha or Garbha. Actually, his pronunciation Krishna Garbha. And the first Krishna Garbha Sutta and Namu. So actually this Krishna Garbha, and also actually his name is called also Dhruva Priya. Dhruva Priya. And understand some Siddhanta Baladev Dasan Prabhu explain. And because in this sense there are no any activities of Krishna Garbha. And at the Dhruva he performed hard activities, and that time also Krishna Garbha he appeared, and in this way also explain this way. And so Krishna Garbha avatar, and that was in the Sambhu Manu. And second Vaman Dev avatar, and that in Kashyap and Aditi. And actually here also Kashyap and Aditi. That time Vamandev also 3 times he took birth or appeared in there. And first that is called Vamandev, that is called Brahmakalpa, that he appeared in Samundava, that is called Baskali. Means one week to perform fire sacrifice and wait. Baskali he performed fire sacrifice. In this sacrifice, also Lord and Vamandev he appeared. And that time he also asked some donation from him. And second, Vaivasa Manantar, another demon, Asura, his name called Dundu Mur. Now, and also Lord appeared in there and asked the donation, Sarvarajya. And then third, and Vaivasa Manantar, when Kashyap Putra Aditi. And that time also appeared in the son of Kashyap and Aditi, that means Vamandev. And in the Jagastali of Bali Maharaj. And then actually in this way, explain this. So that means Vamandev avatar, how many Vamandev avatar? 3. And could you remember? So there are 3 Vamandev. And first Baskali Daitya. Are you soon when Baskali Daitya he performed fire sacrifice? In that time, Vamandev also he appeared and in that place. And second, Dundumuru Namak Osur, when he performed fire sacrifice, that time Vamandev also appeared. And third, that is called when Bali Maharaj he performed fire sacrifice, that time Lord also appeared in the form of Vamandev avatar. So that means Vamandev avatar 3 times. Understand? Guru Bhagavatam become and explain this way. Deep analyzed and everybody cannot understand. Many things also explain this. Guru Bhagavatam. From Guru Bhagavatam become this explain this way. Then third and now this is again. It's called Devaki and Vasudev. And so Devaki Vasudev and from their home appear. That is called Vasudev Krishna. And so in this way, Lord he also appear and Vasudev Krishna. This is also reason. And Srimad Bhagavatam discussed that Vasudev and he appeared that time appeared in the jail of Kamsa in 4 and in Chaturbuji. Then Shankar Chakravarti and he that time Devaki and Vasudev they also stopped stuti. Then he became a small baby. Then Vasudev Maharaj took him. Then that time Krishna told, as soon as possible, he also bring to me in Gokul. And you bring my Yoga Maya and to Mathura. Then Vasudev Maharaj took Krishna and that time gave all the more of the jail and the second complete river and opened. And that time Vasudev Maharaj he took Krishna and on his head with his basket. That heavy rain. That time Lord Anantare manifested with his goods and umbrella. Then he crossed the Jamuna. But how did he cross the Jamuna? Because Jamuna full of water. And so when this water, that time Muslim Maharaj, you think, how can I cross the water? That time Jugmaya, another way Jugmaya also manifested on the form of one Jacob. And it's very easy to cross the Jamuna. Then Muslim Maharaj just chasing behind and followed behind the Jacob and crossed Jamuna and come to Gokul. There is one Siddhanta, different Acharyas explain this. Krishna appeared in Gokul, and that is called Amsa, not Purna. Amsa means part. Purna Amsa, he appeared in Gokul. And this so Krishna's Siddham is very important. And that is called Purna, Purnatara, and Purna Tama. Is Purna Dham, that is called Dwaraka, or Purna Taradham, that is called Mathura, Purna Tama Dham, that is called Vrindavan. So now coming in this way, Mutradhis Krishna, Dargadhis Krishna is called Purna. Mutradhis Krishna is called Purna Tara. Vrindavan Krishna is called Purna Tama. So now Krishna is going from Mathura to Gokul. That means Gokul also included in Vrindavan. Then Purna Tama. So here, when Vasudev Maharaj he brought and Mathura Krishna, baby Krishna, when he came in Gokul, and that time actually this and Krishna, Amsa Krishna, he entered inside of Amsi Krishna. Gokul Krishna, that is Vrindavan Krishna, आप क्या खोज बड़े तो आप इधर रखा Gokul Krishna, and so now in this way another Siddhanta is given. So now coming in this way. So Amsa Krishna entered in Amsi. This is also. Then Vasudev Maharaj he took Yashoda's daughter, then called Jogmaya. Because that time Yashoda Devi, when she gave birth to the baby, she does not know she gave birth son or daughter. So now coming in this way, then Vasudev Maharaj he took the daughter, and that time Jogmaya, by Jogmaya, then Vasudev, that Krishna he did not see. Vasudev Maharaj he did not see Yashoda's son, Yashoda's mother. She's thinking only Jogmaya daughter is there, but he took and he put and his son Krishna. In this way also. Another also Siddhanta has given when Vasudev Maharaj he crossed Jamuna. And that time, Nandanandan, Vasudev's son, then he staying in Mathura, in Vijay. Then when he crossed the Jamuna, touched the bank of the river Jamuna, then Nandanandan Krishna is seated in his basket of market basket. Understand? Different acharyas giving different these types of concepts. Because Shastra says Vrindavan Parityajam, Adamekam Nagachati. Vrindavan Krishna, he does not go anywhere. In the same way, Mathura Krishna, Dwarkadhish Krishna, they are not going one Krishna another. Just according to Leela, sometimes they are staying visible or sometimes invisible. Krishna and Adishna. Sometimes visible and sometimes invisible. So this Siddhanta is also perfect. You understand? This Siddhanta is actually perfect. Because Mathura is Krishna, is staying in Mathura invisible, no one. But again, when Akrur he took Krishna and Balaram in his chariot, when coming in the border of Vrindavan and Mathura, that the Vrindavan Krishna again he disappeared. Then Mathuradi's Krishna, who was staying in Mathura, he also seated on the chariot of Akrur. This Siddhanta is perfect, I think. Not complicated. Other Siddhanta is again coming, going. So very difficult to reconcile because Shastra says I never got one step from Vrindavan. The same way all his Vigrahas, Dwarka, Mathura and Vrindavan, they are staying. Their own place. Just visible and invisible. According to this Siddhanta is good. So now coming in this way, then here when Vasudev Maharaj brought the baby, female baby, and gave the lap of Vasudev Devaki, and she started to cry. Then Kamsa, all his darbar, they wake up and gave message to Kamsa. Then Kamsa came and Kamsa by force and grabbed then from the lap of Devaki. But Devaki told, no, brother, look, this is not the son, this is the daughter. Because that the Devavani told, then Lord Vishnu, and come as the son. No, this is not son, this is the daughter. But Kamsa, he did not listen. And Kamsa, he tried to listen very good. Kamsa, he tried to, Kamsa, he took the small baby, female baby, and tried to kill. But that female baby go out from his hand and very strongly and deeply hit on the head of Kamsa. And Kamsa fell down and saw that baby Jukma and she manifested 8 arms of Tabuja. And told Murk Kamsa, police Kamsa, how possible you will do? Your killer Vishnu, he to cut some hair. Soon you will be. In this way, from that day, Kamsa became very afraid. And day and night he is thinking, where is my killer Kamsa? Why? You must care. Here one Siddhanta is coming. Care for future. Care for future. This is coming. Not I am, but one day you will kill to me, so I am fear. Isn't? Later we discuss. Actual fear for future. Uh, then Devaki, he comes up, he's thinking what to do now. Comes up at that time, he also all the emergency and meeting, all the demons they discuss what to do that time. Putana, he goes, "Well, I have to go. And within 10 days from the giving birth of the Devaki, Devi came, got the birth of the Devaki. That time, Devaki told 10 days before, after 10 days. Any babies to birth, she will be killed. 10 दिन पहले और 10 दिन बाद जितने भी बच्चे हैं तो पुतना सीखी थी. Now coming in this Putana, she came in Goku. And Nanda Goku, how possible? Because Vrindavan Dham is expensive. And any Usulas cannot actually Jogmasi arrange. Because they are thinking, Krishna is thinking, I have to do this perform Leela also. And so for this regard, by Jogmaya, actual Putana, she entered in Braj. And so Putana, she manifests the form of very nice, beautiful, and some young lady, and she put the poison snake, a poison, and on her breast, and that into Krishna, baby Krishna. That time only 6 days, baby Krishna. And Nanda Maharaj, from the beginning, he did not give any taxes to Kamsa. Because Kamsa is the king. Nanda Maharaj is the sub and king and minister. Taxpayer. Businessman. So the guy, this is my kingdom, and you have to rule this thing, but you have to give tax money. This is something. So Nanda Maharaj, he did not pay any taxes. Then before it's not taking birth. Because Nanda Maharaj is thinking, I have no sons and daughter, nothing. If Kamsa will take my this place, no harm. Then for this girl is completely renounced. Then lost in Dhamma. But when Krishna appeared, then as soon as possible, Nanda Maharaj is thinking, I have to pay all the taxes to Kamsa. Only Kamsa will take money, then how will do? Where is my son? So that the 6 days from the birth of Krishna, after that day, Nanda Maharaj, he went to Mathura to pay all his taxes. Understand? So, and mostly all the ladies, they also perform one ceremony that is called Shashti Puja. 6 days from the birth of the baby. And so Nanda Maharaj, he went to Mathura to pay all his taxes to Kamsa. And then he also met with Devaki and Vasudev and in the Jain. Here, most of the ladies, they also celebrate Krishna's what is called Patwa, something which they have 6 days from the birth of the baby. And they completely also observe these leelas and celebration. That time Putana, he manifested a very nice, beautiful young lady as like Lakshmi Devi, just descended from heaven. look like this. It's very beautiful. And so for this regard, no one also stuck to her. And very nice, beautiful, love. When Putana, she manifests very nice, beautiful, handsome young lady, no one stopped. Because she's very beautiful, attractive. And if you go to any marriage ceremony or any friend's marriage ceremony, you have to also get a very nice, beautiful dress. And so no one will stop you. And your dress is not good. And as like what is called hippie and hippie, yeah, hippie dress, then everybody right, chalo aage aage chalo aage. This program, everybody stopped you. In the same way, Putana's dresses are very beautiful and attractive. For this regard, no one checked. And no one asked to hurry up to come. Because everybody is surprised. Maybe demigoddess, they are coming from Sargalok, heaven. And in this matter, the form of human being. So no one. Very nice, beautiful Leela also. And everybody who see. And they go, maybe one lady, she is coming from Helen. And she direct enter in the they are celebrating Krishna's and Chakra celebrating this. And that time Jogmaya she also arranged. And that time Krishna he was sleeping alone in the planet. And even Rohini Devi, Mother Krishna, she went in other room. And Krishna arranged it. But because Jogmaya is very easy to enter in the other room and say, I will fit my better. Yeah, though Srimad Bhagavatam not explain why Krishna closed his eyes. When Putana came and entered that the room, Krishna, baby Krishna, he closed his eyes. There are no mentions in what is the reason. But many different depends. Then commenters they also given their own representation. Krishna thinking, oh, she's lady, the Shastra saying, and any circumstance not in the lady. No, Krishna just he closed his eyes and thinking. Another thinking, oh, how I will kill this lady. Different, but maybe another when the newborn baby, but the small baby looking the unknown person, then close the eyes. So there are many reasons of it. So Srimad Bhagavatam did not mention what is the reason Krishna closed his eyes when Putana entered in that place. So now coming in this way, Krishna is taking rest. And Putana she took and she tried to feed her breast with the poison. And just Krishna, baby Krishna, and leaves touch her lip of the then and Krishna took his life here. Then Putana could not took out from her breast Krishna. Then so much sweat coming. And Putana in his hand and the power of 10,000. So that's what happened. But he could not without. Then he's thinking, I have to return back to Mathura, maybe Kamsa and other things left. And Putana he flew away and went to Mathura, but on the way in the garden of Kamsa. There is a Hathras. He fell down, then all the plants, and Putana is complete. And here all the Brajavasis is supplied water. That time, when Putana she was flying in the sky, and there were so many dust and everything. When Mother Yashoda she heard if Krishna is not in the room, then Mother Yashoda. But anyhow, Mother Rohini Devi is specified. Then all the Brajavasis, they also followed the Putana and come in their place. And Putana is very big, gigantic. And then they also climb then on the chest of the Putana and serve Krishna Devi Krishna complete restoration. And that time they took Krishna from the chest of Putana and gave to Mother Yashoda. In this way, Mother Yashoda returned back to her right here. When Putana left her body, that time the Devasi they cut in pieces, thousand pieces, and put back. And all blood completely wiped. Actually, the Krishna Putana, she was very ugly, and she also drank the blood of the baby. Putana Balaghatini and Udirasana. And she was bad smelling from her blood. But just Krishna touched her lips on her breast, then his body was. So when Nandu Maharaj returned back then from Mathura to Vrindavan, Gokul, that time Nandu Maharaj what happening? Whole brush completely split silence. Then everybody told you how Putana came in all your life. And so here Sukadeva Goswami Pad told actual Krishna is very merciful. And Krishna sent to Putana in Golok and in the midst of Mother Yashoda. For this regard, how Krishna is wonderful and merciful. And Aho Bhakyam Samakal Putam Jam Sapakradi Nivedayapurita. Tato Unnam Samba Dayalum Karunam Prajim. Aho Bhakyam Samakal Putam. Putana actually called the sister of Bakasi. For this regard, it is a Bhakyam. And Aho Bhakyam Samakal Putam. Putana she came in broad and the Gokul tried to kill Krishna. But Krishna is wonderful and Krishna destroyed his Asura body and sent his Atma soul in Golok in the mission of Mother. That is called approach to the thing. Approach to the maid servant of Mother Krishna in Golok, not in Vrindavan. And our name is called. What is name? There are many maid servant of Mother Krishna. One name is called. What is called? And actually, this is her transcendental conclusion for interview. Okay. So, in this way, so maybe you can ask, there are so many demons Krishna killed in Vrindavan, but only Krishna, he gave the highest destination to Putana, the mention of Mother. Why? Because Putana in previous life, he was the daughter of Balima.
Daughter Ratnavali.
And because according to the Nishima Katha, Nishima Prahlad, Lord Nishima, they promised, then hey Prahlad Maharaj, in your dynasty, anybody will come. I will give highest destination. But this is Krishna is much more wonderful. Because this is the relationship with Prahlad Maharaj. Otherwise, how possible? Krishna he came, Basur, Bakasur, Sinavarta. They did not get these types of so why Putana? Because Putana is relationship with Prahlad because Prahlad Maharaj is devotee and his son Prahlad Maharaj son, what is his name?
Rochan.
Virochan. Virochan's son, Bali.
Bali.
Bali Maharaj's son,
Manasur.
Banasi.
Yes.
Good. And so now coming in this way, then Prahlad Maharaj is a devotee, but his father, but his son, non-devotee. And Virochan non-devotee, but his son, doing the same this way. And so Putana Moksha Lila is very important. Saying how Krishna is merciful.
I think point 20.
And then also Vamdev Katha and others also many Leelas also in their detail. There are different demon also, and there was Sakadasur Vanyan, and also he Sakadasur the demon, he also got mercy from Rishi Munis. And another Pinavarta, he also got benediction from one Durvasa Rishi. And very nice, beautiful Leela. Because Krishna, he gives mercy behind some benediction of Rishi Sadhu. And we understand. And especially in say also Purpanakha, she was a Ram Leela and so much attracted with Ramachandra. But Ramachandra cut her nose and ear. Why? Because Ramachandra is saying, you have come here and to as want to become my consort. But in my Ram Leela, I need to vow. I will accept only one consultation a day. But I will to fulfill your desire in my Krishna. So Surpanakha and after Ram Leela, Surpanakha she became Gujja. And Krishna also and people had desires. This thing also explained in Mathura. Krishna came in Mathura after killing Kamsa. Then Krishna also went in the house of Kujja. Because Kujja's Rati is called Sadharani Rati. And so in this way, then Krishna is very much good. And Dandakarna Rishi is also in Ram Leela. Many Rishi Munis did thousand years. They chanted Gopal Mantra. They went this all Lord Ramchandra. That time so much their stimulation coming, different coming to take introduction to Lord Ramchandra. So, but Lord Ramchandra also told in my Ram Leela only one excepted one concept study. So that time Ramchandra also gave benediction to say he has to take part in Braj in Dapar, end of Daparju. Then I will appear in the form of Krishna. Then I will fulfill all your desires. So that Rishi Muni, Dandakarna Rishi Muni, then they also appear in Braj in the form of Raghuvi. And Raghuvi is actual Bhajan Ramchandra, Dasratha Ramchandra, he appeared in 24th Chaturthi. And Krishna appeared 28th Chaturthi. So how many years, thousand years they wait for how they have so much nischat, utsah, nischat, dhajya, tattat, karma, pravartana. Sanga, tyaga, sadhu, vitte, sarvi, bhakti, utsah, bhakti, always you are only intelligent. And you cannot imagine. Ramchandra he appeared 24th Chaturthi. So this one. Krishna, same Ramchandra appeared in Daparju in 28th Chaturthi. So how many years can you wait? And because if you want to go Vibha, you have to wait. And understand? Not easy to get. Wait. And so now in this way, and not when Lord Ramchandra he came in Mithila, That time all the young girls, they also completely intoxicated with Ramchandra's beauty. But Ramchandra also gave the same benediction to them. They all you come in my Krishna Leelas in Braj, and you will appear in Brajpati, I will kill you already here. And Mithila, when Ramchandra entered in Mithila. And another also, when Ramchandra he performed hair sacrifice, the Sarvasita, all the Sarvasita, they asked Lord Ramchandra, so what is our destiny? Then Lord Ramchandra will represent, you will appear in my crystal and Dabarjuk, and all you become gopis. So many, the actual Ram Leela, Krishna Leela, so many internet,
Internal connection.
internal connection. And so in this way, and also many Leelas also there, but incidents very difficult to say. Krishna he killed Bakasura, Aghasura, and Aghasura killed one Apsara. He was very beautiful. He was very beautiful and attractive. When Ashtavakra Rishi, he was going, and in the crooked way he was walking. That time, that Apsara, he also joked. And joked. And oh, how very beautiful did he. Then Ashtavakra Rishi, he gave curse. You have to become Jama, snake. And then that the person, he asked to Ashtavakra Rishi, hold his to feet, how will they deliver from this and surpass. That our principle or the opposite will come, he will deliver to you from this Atpajani. That is called Asubodh Leela. And also another reason also is called the Vaikuntha two Darpas, Joy and Vijay, they also got cast from Krishna. And they also got these things, three bars, Hiranyakshi, Hiranyakasipu, Ravan, Kurumbhakarna, and Shishupal and Dantavakra. So Lord Krishna he appeared and he also killed Shishupal and Dantavakra. And this is also reason. And Sri Leela. Brahma Vimohan Leela also. All Leela is connected. Why Krishna descended from Guru Vrindavan Leela? And Brahmaji, he also stole the cowherd boys and cowherd boys and cows. And that time also this Leela also there because all the ladies of motherhood mood, Krishna, the Krishna he only taking the breast of Mother Yashoda. So Krishna have to take our house. And our breast. So for this reason, even the cows also thinking. And Krishna have to take our breast. So for this regard, dogmatic arrangement. Actually, Brahma he did not he did not steal the boys and our boys and cows. So dogmatic arrangement. And just Brahma is as a medium. Matama. And this Leela also. And so many Leelas of India related to India. Because how Krishna performed last Leela especially, because that day, then Purnamasi, when Brahmaji is from Krishna's cup and friends, because that time Purnamasi Devi also declared for this today very super auspicious day, you have to arrange your daughter's marriage with and that time they also arranged. Actually, all they married with Krishna because who is that the Sakha? Krishna. And so in this way, the many Leelas and also this. And now we come to another Sakha explain. And Krishna also married Gita, good Preman, and established Banasam, good Preman.